Okay. Yep. So today, come on, Eric. I'm going to talk about recursion. So tell me, what's recursion? Recursion. Recursion. Tell me, what does it mean?
I don't know.
You don't know. What does it mean? What does this word mean in English?
I don't know.
Okay, that's fine. Sit there. Sit properly, please. Recursion. So it's like something that calls itself repeatedly. So for example, if I define the function, like let's say factorial, yeah? You know the factorial?
Yeah.
Like n factorial equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times until 1, right? Yeah?
Yeah.
3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1, alright?
Yeah.
So do you see this? What's this? What's this bit? That's 2 factorial, yeah? And what's this? That's 1 factorial. And how about 4 factorial? Equals 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, right?
Yeah.
What's this? 3 factorial. Yeah? Do you understand? So this problem can be solved by solving a smaller problem, right? Yeah? Okay? So we can call this, like, let's call it f function, okay? Fn. Okay? So it's the base case, if it's 1, if n is 1, return what? 1 factorial is what?
1.
1. Then else, we don't need to write the else, but it's good to write the else. Because you can say, okay, return, if n is 1, return 1. Else, return n, right? This is n, yeah? Times, what's this? F and minus 1. Yeah? Look, this is minus 1. We're calling itself, so this is called recursion. Do you get it? Because now we are solving this problem by solving a smaller problem. Yeah? Okay? And then we times itself. Okay? So let's do this example, F3. Okay? So what do we have F3? F3. Okay? When come here, n is 3. It's not equals 1. So else, yeah? What does it return? So F3, it will return 3 times F3 minus 1, F2, right? Alright? Yes? Okay, F2, calling itself. If n is 1, no, right? Your F2 will become 2 times F1, right? Yes?
Yeah.
F1, if n equals 1, then what? We return 1.
Yeah.
Okay, so we can go in backwards. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 3, 6. So F3 equals 6. Yes?
Yeah.
Any questions so far?
No.
No?
Yeah, no.
It's easy, yeah? Is it? Is it easy? Okay? So look, what this recursion.
To make sure,
Look, recursion. Anyway, where's the recursion happen? Can you tell me?
that bit?
Yeah, look, this is the function we define here. Yeah? Look, it's calling itself with another parameter, which is a smaller one, right? Because we are solving the problem with n. And then we're calling itself, recursively calling itself with n minus 1. Yeah? So n minus 1, n minus 2, until we reach n equals 1, which we know how to solve it. Yeah? Because when n is 1, we return 1. And when n is 2, it will return 2 times f1, yeah, which is 1. Yeah? So we're calling itself, okay? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, do you want to input this in the computer? Okay, I'm going to turn this off for a while.